How to update drivers on PC. In this video, I will show you how to update drivers on PC. So to get started, go ahead and open your PC. If you're using Windows, go ahead and click on WinX on your keyboard. And then from there, look for the device manager, and that will take you to your device manager. So this is how it would basically look like. So click on display adapters, and then in here you'll be able to find your drivers such as your graphics driver. So if you want to update your graphics driver, right click on it and click on this update driver button. So you can do this as well with the other drivers in here. So for example, you want to update your audio drivers, simply open the drop down under audio drivers and then right click on it and then click on this update driver button. And that is how you can basically update driver on PC with Windows 10 and 11.